going to tell you, I found a vehicle right now. We found a vehicle right now that would lead us to make our dreams come true, and that is Live Good. Okay, just to give you an overview of who Live Good is, how is it different, and how it's going to change your life, I would like to show you a video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Okay, manood tayo ng video ngayon.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. Yes, and Live Good is the most exciting company in the industry. Narinig nyo naman, that's our CEO himself, Ben Glinsky. Talagang we are revolutionizing the industry. Okay? Kaya kung if you're already familiar with the network marketing space, wag muna kayong umalis kasi kakaiba talaga tong maririnig nyo. Or kung meron kayong bad experience before, well, this is a comeback for you. This is your second chance kasi ibang-iba talaga ang Live Good. Okay, just to show you how we differ from other companies, okay? Dito wala na tayong overpriced products. Hindi na natin kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera just to be able to join. Kasi no huge product package to join. Okay, hindi mo na kailangan ng 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Yung iba nga 200,000 pa. Gone are those days.
Recording
okay?
stopped.
No huge auto ship. Hindi rin natin kailangan dito na mag-monthly, kailangan pang bumili ng products just to be able to get the compensation that we deserve. Yung pinagpagura natin. Yung talagang para sa atin naman, naho-hold back kasi kailangan natin mag-auto ship. Dito, no back to zero. Kung bronze ka ngayon, so long as yung nakuha mong mga directs are continuously becoming or remaining a member, then hindi ka babalik sa pagka-affiliate. Alright? No forced buying of products. Yun yung napakaganda rito. Hindi ka pipilitin bumili ng produkto, pero sa ganda ng products, you yourself will buy. In fact, kami, we make sure we don't run out of products. Okay? No selling, therefore no quota. Okay? Kung wala lahat yan, eto si Live Good. Live Good offers premium health quality products that are at almost factory price. Kasi hindi natin pinapatong doon sa produkto yung kikitain natin. So almost factory price pwedeng ibigay ni Live Good sa mga affiliate members yung products nila. And eto, if you've experienced business presentation of other companies, hinuhuli nila to. Pero uunahin ko na. It's only $49.95 one-time fee to join. Okay? And it's only $9.95 monthly subscription to remain a member. Okay? Magkano yung $49.95? Wala pang 3,000 yan. Hindi yan 18,000, hindi yan 60,000. It's even less than 3,000 pesos. Magkano naman yung $9.95? It's $580. Magtipid ka ng 20 pesos a day, may sukli ka pang 20. Pambili mo ng corneto. Alright? So you retain your rank without working for it monthly. Kasi nga wala nang back to zero eh. So kung bronze ka ngayon, come following month, bronze ka pa rin. Diba? And then you only buy health products when you want to and what you want to buy. Walang pilitan dito. Kung ayaw mo yung products, huwag ka bumili. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda ng products natin, bibili at bibili ka. And eto pinakamaganda, you get paid for all your effort. Kasi nga tinanggal na yung mga requirements, di ba? Yung mga qualification. Pag meron kang ginawa dito, you would be compensated. 'Di ba ibang-iba as dun sa alam mong traditional na network marketing? So stay tuned, listen carefully kasi ibang-iba talaga ang Live Good. Okay, how did we start? Live Good was launched globally last December 13, 2022 with its business model as wholesale club membership. Yan na yung secret natin. Wholesale club membership, kaya kaya nating ibigay yung mga products natin at factory price. Alright? Ito rin yung pinaka-secret natin bakit ganun tayo kabilis lumaki. In fact, here's our growth. In December of 2022 when we launched, merong 2,000 members lang globally. Came April, umabot na tayo ng 250,000 members. And as we speak right now, we are over 630,000 members worldwide. And yung prediction natin, come December 2023, aabutin natin yung 1 million members. In fact, we're so confident na bago pa mag-December, lalagpasan na natin yung 1 million mark na yan. Ganon kabilis lumaki ang Live Good. Bakit nga ba? I'll give you 6 reasons. Number 1, amazing product. Mamaya makikita nyo na yung produkto natin hindi tinipid at napakabisa. Pero number 2, incredible prices, napakababa ng halaga. As I described it, almost factory price. No more auto shipping. Ano ba yung auto shipping? Yan yung mga point system, yung kailangan mo mag-generate ng number of points, which is also volume of products being sold under your organization. 'Di ba? So parang mafo-force ka to buy products. Dito tinanggal na rin yan, yung number 4 natin, no monthly products to buy. You buy when you want to and only what you want to buy. But I'm telling you, hindi ka papayag na wala kang produkto buwan-buwan. Kasi ganun talaga kaganda yung mga products natin. And sa sobrang ganda ng products natin, we are just a few, if not the only, company that offers a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Talagang ganun tayo katiwala sa produkto natin. Ubusin mo yung produkto, basta within 90 days, isoli mo yung basyo, ibabalik yung pera mo. However, kahit ino-offer natin yan, very, very few yung returns. And it's not because hindi nila nagustuhan. Alright? That's the reason why Live Good is the number 1 business to join. And not to mention the opportunity that's being given by Live Good. Unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced product, but about saving people money on health products. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, yes, marami kang matutulungan dito. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then Live Good is for you. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, mabilis kumita yung mga tao dito pero pinaghirapan po nila yan. Okay? May tatrabahuhin talaga tayo. It's like any other business. So long as you own it, you work for it, then definitely you will be compensated. All right? But let's say na lang na hindi ka sinwerte na nakapag-refer ng tao dito sa Live Good. Don't worry because Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay, you can earn money as a club member lang of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Okay, you heard me right. Pwede kang kumita whether or not you refer others to the program so long as you remain a member. Okay, pag-uusapan natin yan, paano maging member and how to remain a member. But before that, let me introduce to you Live Good. Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital service. Napakagandang industriya niyan, dalawang yan. Those are the 2 highest trending industries right now. Because of what we've experienced with the pandemic, we became aware na kailangan nating maging healthy, right? So wellness. And also because of our lockdown, the lockdown that we've experienced, nag-boom ang digital services. Kaya ngayon, paying of bills online na lang eh. Tsaka yung pag-order ng mga goods and even food, online na lang lahat. Dinideliver na directly to your doorsteps. Ngayon, sa Live Good, pinagsama yung dalawang trending industries na yan. And we came up with Live Good. Kaya nga Live Good is the best company to join. Live Good is based in Jupiter, Florida, USA. Andun po yung main office natin. All right? Now, I want you to check this out, yung mission ng Live Good. Our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. The reason that I want you to look at this is because the company is not company-centered. Kung papansinin mo yung ibang kumpanya, tanungin mo ano mission statement nyo? To be the number one direct selling company in the world, 'di ba? To be the number one in ganito, in ganyan, in ganyan. It's always company centered. But Live Good, it's not company centered but affiliate members centered. All right? And that is because of the people around Live Good. Yung mga four founding fathers ng Live Good. And let me introduce them to you. Si Ben Glinsky, he's our CEO. He's very on hand. In fact, siya yung narinig niyong nagbo-voice over dun sa video kanina. Ganon siya sumasali on hand dito sa business na to. He has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Ben knows how to help people win. And nakita ko, if you can only watch him or join him sa mga Zoom meeting niya, sa mga trainings niya, if you can only watch him sa mga videos niya, makikita mo na talagang nasa loob niya yung pagtulong sa kapwa. Especially those na mga hirap mag-succeed. Okay? Kaya nga talagang ni-revolutionize niya na yung industriya. Ibang-iba ang Live Good compared to other companies. Okay? What Ben did is nag-form siya ng group, of course, kasi hindi naman niya kayang patakbuhin ng company mag-isa. The group composed of, number one, Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Dr. Ryan Goodkin is a doctor of pharmacy and he has an understudy of nutritional supplement. Alright? So yung dalawang science na yan, pinagsama niya and he is formulating our products. Ang maganda nito, came from his mouth mismo. I formulate products not to sell, but for my family to use. Sinong tao ang magbibigay sa pamilya nila ng makaka-harm sa family nila? Since he intend for his family to use the products that he is formulating for Live Good, then beneficial tayo dyan as affiliate members. Kasi talagang alam natin na yung papasok sa katawan natin are safe and very efficient and effective. Si Lisa Goodkin naman is our Director of Product Education. Mag-asawa yan, dalawang yan. Wellness coach naman yan. Holistic yung approach niya when it comes to wellness. So she's not just going to teach you about supplements that you need, nutritions that you need. Hindi lang yan, pati exercise, pati sleeping habit. Minsan tinatap niya yan on her webinars. By the way, these two Goodkins, they have a webinar every Monday, US time. Okay? Pero dito sa atin, we can watch it Tuesday at 8 a.m. sorry. And of course, our Director of Network Marketing, Noder Kazan. Noder Kazan has almost 30 years of experience in network marketing companies and he has seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Tinanggal niya yung bad and ugly at lalo niyang pinaganda yung good. Okay? Siya ang reason bakit in a matter of 8 months, umabot tayo ng 630,000 members. Alright? And nabanggit ko kanina, we have amazing products talaga. Just to show you, we have over 15 life-changing products. Actually, 19 na yan ngayon. Kasi we keep adding on our pipeline. Padagdag lang ng padagdag yan. And each product talagang of premium quality and very effective. Kasi all our products are of highest quality. The purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So from raw mats, from the raw ingredients, chinecheck na yan ng quality. They make sure they're harvesting it kung saan siya pinakamagandang tumubo. And to the manufacturing facilities, they make sure it's world-class. Kaya pagdating sa quality, hindi matutumbasan ang mga products ng Live Good. All our products are made in USA, approved by GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. Just to give you an idea, napakataas ng standard ng GMP na yan. And not all companies are being approved by GMP. They make sure na talagang malinis yung manufacturing facility, everything is in order, pati yung raw materials, they make sure that it's pure and potent. That's the reason why all our products are lab tested for purity and potency. And just to be transparent sa lahat ng gagamit ng products natin, we provide the certificate of analysis. And this is available in our website. Hindi natin tinatago yan. Hindi yan on demand. Talagang available yan on our website. Pag nagpunta ka sa website, you want to check on the product, check on the certificate of analysis. And you will see how good or how premium the quality of the product that you are taking. All right? Kasi ang target natin is wellness for all. That's the reason why we have that much product. Kasi wellness for all yung target natin eh. Remember, men's and women's health. Magkaiba ang physiological need ng men and women. Kaya we have vitamins for both men and women. Alright? Kung nutrition naman yung problema mo, medyo malnourished ka, we have products for nutrition. Even pampaganda, kasi we have products for skincare and anti-aging. Body cleansing, very important yan kasi we need to remove all the toxins in our body. Immunity, again, very important because our immune systems combats the diseases that tries to get in our body. So kung mataas yung immune system natin, definitely, very seldom tayo magkakasakit. Excuse me. Weight management. It's becoming a global problem. Weight is becoming a global problem already, either overweight or underweight. Either way, meron tayong products for both. Energy lalo na. Okay? Kasi nga dun sa lifestyles natin, halos hindi na tayo nakakapag-exercise. Pati yung mga food na kinakain natin, nadideplete yung energy natin. Kaya most of the time, lethargic tayo. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Nanghihina tayo most of the time. That's the reason why we have products for energy as well. And all our products are available in over 200 countries. Don't get me wrong, wala tayong warehouses in each country. We only have our warehouse in Florida, USA. However, the moment you order the product, ipapack agad yan and isi-ship yan. And talagang dumarating ang products. In fact, kanina lang we received 2 of our orders again. Sabay sila dumating. Although we ordered it about few days apart. Pero tumawag si post office, it's already there. Alright? So dumarating at dumarating talaga yan. Now, siguro excited na kayo. Gusto nyo nang maging umorder ng products kasi nga napakaganda ng mga products natin. So your question may be how to order products. Okay, you can either order as a customer or as a member. As a customer, you pay retail low prices. Why retail low prices? Kasi may ibang companies who might be offering the same products, but if you check the price of Live Good products, napakababa niya compared to other companies. But, eto maganda. If you become a member, you pay even lower prices. Yun yung pinaka-benefit ng pagiging affiliate member ng Live Good. Alright? And that's what we want to be, a member. Alright? So, that's the reason why Live Good members save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Kasi nga, yung ibang companies, matataas talaga sila magpresyo. Why? Number one, dyan kinukuha yung overhead nila. Ano yung overhead? Yan yung renta nung warehouse. Let's say may office sila dito sa Philippines, renta nung warehouse and office. Payment nila dun sa country manager, payment nila dun sa mga staff. And also the compensation of those who are already doing making money from their companies. Yung mga top doon sa compensation plan, doon din sa product kinukuha. Kaya matataas talaga yung products, yung presyo ng products nila. And we call that price gouging. Dito sa Live Good, tinanggal na lahat yan kasi nga hindi natin dyan kinukuha yung overhead, hindi natin dyan kinukuha yung compensation ng mga affiliate members. Kaya itong illustration na to, it's David and Goliath. David, Live Good is like David, a very small company right now kasi nga we started last December pa lang. Yung ibang companies, they're like 20 years, 30 years, 10 years of existent already. So mga giants na yan. However, they're still in their traditional way of price gouging. And we're putting a stop on that. Sino nga ba naman ang bibili ng $100 product when it's available for $18 in Live Good? Siyempre, lilipat ka na sa Live Good, di ba? And if you are a distributor of that company, bakit ka magbebenta ng $100 na product? Pwede mong kunin sa Live Good at $18. Kaya talagang lahat nararamdaman na ang presence. Kahit 8 months pa lang tayo, damang-dama na ng mga giant companies ang presence ng Live Good. Alright? Ito yung sinabi ni Noder Kazan, our Director of Marketing, Network Marketing. The days of selling overpriced product so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. And this is true. This is true kasi sabi ng statistics, 95% of distributors or members of a network marketing company, yung traditional way to does not make money. Only 5% makes money. Ang masama nito, dun sa 5%, 4% only gets by. Yung pambili lang ng product, yung mga kinikita nila is 1% lang talaga yung namamayagpag, yung parating umaakyat ng stage every time na may recognition. Alright? Kasi nga, they're still practicing the old traditional way of price gouging. Pero since tapos na yan, ibang-iba na sa Live Good. Just to show you an example of price comparison, eto, CBD oil natin. We have the same CBD oil, not really the same kasi mas maganda yung quality natin. Pero pinakamalapit dyan would be Young Living and Green Roads. Nakita nyo, kayang-kaya natin i-compare yung products natin with other companies. Kasi sa Young Living, magkano yung CBD oil nila? $79.95. Sa Green Roads, $89.99. And to think of it, yung kanilang mga CBD are like 500 and 550 milligrams lang. Unlike sa atin, sa Live Good, we offer our CBD oil for $18 only. Yung 750 yan So 50% more potent na tayo pero napakababa ng presyo natin. In fact, as a member, you can save up to 79%. Alright? Super greens natin. Yan yung mga combination ng different botanicals which will provide you the nutrition, the nutrients that you need on your everyday life. Okay? Ang pinakamalapit dyan, Athletic Greens and Organifi Green Juice. $99.99. $69.99. Sa atin, pag member ka, $18 lang babayaran mo. Ganun kababa ang mga presyo ng Live Good. Ito pa, pampabeauty naman. Yung mga talagang gusto matanggal yung mga kulubot sa kanilang mga faces. Alright? Ageless Skin Serum. This is very, very, very popular product. In fact, kahit $59.50 yan, they were able to sell millions of this. Okay? Ito yung mga comparison yan. Sa isang competitor natin, $86. Dun sa isa, $59.50. Pero tayo, we're giving it for only $14.95 for our members. And ito, mainit-init pa, bagong-bago lang to sa ating pipeline. Collagen. Collagen is known for as para siyang miracle supplement. Kasi ang dami niya talagang nagagawa sa katawan. Bukod sa nagpapaganda ng skin, nagpapalago ng hair, 'di ba? Nagpapatanggal ng mga wrinkles, pinapaganda rin yung ating circulation inside our body. So yung effect niya in and out of our body. And look at this, our competitors are offering it $79.96 and $69.95. Sa atin, wala pang $30, $27.95 for members. Okay? Ngayon, di ba nasabi ko, meron tayong, if you're a customer, you pay retail price. Mababa pa rin, $39.95 compared to $79.96. Diba? Now, just to give you an idea kung ano yung mga difference ng retail price sa members price, ito yung pinaka-example, our Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for Men and Women. Napakaganda niyang ng vitamins na yan. Kailangan natin yan araw-araw. Alright? The retail price, if you're just a customer, you'll pay for it for $17.95. But if you become a member, you only pay $9.95. Imagine, $8 kagad na save mo. And you know what they say, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Pwede mo nang gamitin yung savings mo pambayad ng bills, di ba? Or whatnot. Ito, nabanggit ko kanina si Super Greens, di ba? Yung combination of different botanicals. Kailangan din natin yan. $29.95 retail price, $18 lang if you become a member. Si Organifi Super Reds, this is one of my favorite products. Why? Kasi pinapaganda niya yung circulation ng ating blood. The blood circulation of our body is being enhanced, pati yung mga blood vessels natin, pinapaganda niya. And ang maganda niyan, if our blood circulation is enhanced or is at its optimum, all the nutrients and oxygen are being delivered to every part, every cell of our body. Ganyan kaganda yung Super Reds na yan. And it's available for customer for only $29.95. But if you become a member, babayaran mo lang $18. Alright? I mentioned about weight management. Okay? If you intend to lose weight, dito ka sa Healthy Organic Weight Management Coffee with Mushrooms. Kasi yan, nakakabusog pero hindi nakakataba. And it's offering the same effect as coffee, yung pampagising ng coffee. Pero wala yung panginginig, walang jittery. Alright? It's available for customer at $28.95 but as a member, you only pay for $17.95. Kung bodybuilding naman ang habol mo, body toning, muscle toning, or muscle leaning, eto sa'yo. Complete plant-based protein. Retail price is $34 and members price only $22. Ganyan kababa yung ating mga products, especially when you become a member. Alright? Ito example, kasi meron tayong package composed of 7 products and you only need to pay $99. Remember yung CBD oil kanina? $99 isa lang, di ba? Pero if you compare it with the other brands available in the market, you need to pay $278.75 if you choose other brands. So why choose other brands? Mag-shift ka lang kasi ginagamit mo na rin naman eh. Mag-live good ka na lang, enjoy the savings, use the money that you save for other expenses that you need to pay. Alright? And just to prove to you na talagang dumarating yung produkto, bukod dun sa pagpakita ko sa inyo ng empty bottle kanina, talagang dumarating yung produkto. Ayan, sample po. This was taken by one of our coaches nung unang dumating yung order nila from the US. So don't worry, mag-ship at masiship talaga yung products natin. In fact, matatrack mo kung nasa na yung products mo eh. Makikita mo, uy, nasa Florida yung products ko. Uy, napunta na ng New York. Uy, nagpunta na ng New Jersey. Tumalo na ng Japan. Finally, nasa Philippines na. Makikita mo kung nasan yung products mo. Alright. So, your question maybe now is how to become a member. Kasi nakita mo, mas mababa ang presyo ng pag-member ka eh. Simple lang po. I'm sure that somebody gave you this link, this Zoom link. So, that's your sponsor. Hingin mo sa kanya yung kanyang sponsor link. Doon ka mag-register. And you pay $9.95 per month. Now, kung gusto mo magka-discount, you pay $99.95 for 1 year. Makakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. And once you become a member, you can buy products at, eto nga, wholesale price pa eh. Ako, ang description ko sa prices natin, almost factory price or what we call the member's price. Okay, so how do you pay? You can pay through your credit card. Credit card so long as it's Visa or MasterCard. Kung wala kang credit card, pwede yung ATM mo. Basta Visa or MasterCard. Alright? Now, kung wala dyan, pwede rin naman crypto kung may alam ka sa crypto. Okay? Now, as a member, you get to enjoy the discounts. And when you enjoy the discounts, you get savings. And when you have savings, it's also considered earnings. Pero ang tanong ko, ito. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Don't forget the or more. Kasi kung if you become an affiliate member here and do the business, talagang you will earn more. Alright? So ayun, sinabi ko na, if you really want to earn this or even more, become an affiliate member. So ano ba yung Live Good affiliates? Okay, just to give you an idea, an affiliate is like referring partner. Kasi si Live Good, hindi yan nag-a-advertise sa TV, sa magazine, sa internet. Walang advertisement yan. Pero as a business, kailangan malaman siya ng maraming tao. So paano niya gagawin yan? Through word of mouth. Through us, the Live Good affiliate members. Tayo yung mag-i-introduce sa mga kilala natin about Live Good and encourage them to become affiliate members just like you and me. Okay? And as one, we also give Live Good also gives the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Yun yung pinakamaganda diyan kasi the way I would describe our compensation plan, it's the most generous I've seen so far. Kaya talagang dito yayaman at yayaman ka. Yung mga pinapangako sa iyo, napangako sa iyo ng ibang companies dito magkakatotoo when you do the business right. All right? So how do you become an affiliate member? Again, go back to the person who invited you or gave you this link. Ask for their sponsor link. Mag-fill out ka doon ng form and then pay for $49.95. Bakit naging $49.95? Kasi meron tayong one-time fee na $40. Yes, one-time fee na $40. Magkano yung $49.95? Wala pa pong 3,000. Hindi siya 18,000, hindi siya 60,000, hindi siya 100,000, lalong hindi siya 200,000. It's less than 3,000 pesos. Okay? And since one-time fee lang yung $40, the following month, you only need to pay $9.95 to remain a member. Yan na. So maganda, di ba? Magkano yung $9.95? $580. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos sa isang araw, may sukli ka pang 20 at the end of the month. Di ba? May pambili ka pa ng korneto. Okay. So what do I get with $49.95? Kasi yung iba, sanay dun sa traditional pa rin eh. Pag naglabas ng pera, may produktong ibibigay. Dito po, the products that you will get is number one, you being a member of the membership club or Live Good Buyers Club. Okay? And as a member, you get the discounts. Okay? And ano pa, may $40 na one-time fee para sa naman yon. You get replicated websites here. Yan yung tools na gagamitin mo for you to do the business. Ano-ano yan? Number one, online shop. Para ka magkakaroon ng Shopee or Lazada dito. Pero, nandun yung pangalan mo. So, it's an exclusive website for you. Okay? Number two, powerful landing page. Nakita niyo yung video dun sa simula where Ben Glinsky is discussing about Live Good? Dun naman, yun naman ang ibibigay mo dun sa mga prospect mo whom you want to work with. Yung mga gusto mong maging affiliate members like you. Kasi doon, i-explain na ni Ben ano ba talaga si Live Good. Alright? And how we differ from other companies and why Live Good is the best company to join. I'm telling you, that's so powerful. That video is so powerful. Marami pong nasasara or maraming nagjo-join because of that video. Okay? And dun mo rin mapaparegister yung mga prospects mo. And number three is a business site. Si business site naman, dyan mo mamomonitor yung movement sa business mo. Ilan na ba yung nag-join sa'yo? Ilan na yung nag-join dun sa nag-join sa'yo? Ilan na yung nag-join dun sa nag-join dun sa nag-join sa'yo? Lahat yan makikita mo. Even your earnings. And don't worry, this is password and username protected. You just have to be careful of your username and password. Hindi po natin malaman pero talagang laganap ang mga hacker and phishers dito. Kaya mag-ingat po kayo. Make sure na yung password nyo is something unique and hard to replicate. Pero don't forget your password. Alright? And number three, as an affiliate member, ang pinakamaganda is you get to participate in the compensation plan. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mahal na mga package. $49.95 lang, pasok ka na, kasali ka na sa compensation plan. Alright? And I'm about to discuss that. But before I do, ano ba yung membership club na yan? Just to give you an idea about membership. But by the way, Live Good is the only membership club that pays. yung $9.95 mo or $99 a year, babayaran ka ni Live Good if you remain a member for a long time. Okay? Ano ba yun mga members club na yan? Just to give you some popular examples of membership club, ayan, si Amazon Prime. They're charging their members $14.99 a month or $139 a year. Ano makukuha nung members nila? Access lang. Access lang to shop dun sa mga products nila na warehouse price. Discount again ang nakuha. Sam's Club, discount club din yan. $100 per year naman yan. Si Netflix, very popular sa inyo to. But Netflix is not free. You pay $9.99, $15.49, or $19.99. Depende dun sa package na pinili mo. And guess what? If you fail to pay for your subscription for a month, tanggal yung access mo. Hindi ka na makakapanood ng telenobelang pinapanood mo. Alright? Disney Premium is pretty much the same. It's for $10.99 or $109.99 a year. Dito nga lang, medyo focus sila, syempre Disney, so Disney movies and Disney shows. Okay? If I can compare Live Good with any of this club membership, I can compare it with Costco. Si Costco, physical store nga lang yan. Mas sikat sa physical store yan. Ganun din yan. Kasi wala ka namang product na mabibili if you pay $120. Wala kang product na mabibili. Ang makukuha mo membership club being shown by an ID. Now, what will you do? What will you get out of it? You get an access to their store. Kasi sa store nila, napakababa ng mga presyo ng mga produktong mabibili mo doon. Kaya ang daming nagme-member ng Costco. And that's also the reason, since comparable siya kay Live Good, ang dami-daming nagme-member kay Live Good. Now, how do people pay their membership club fee? Through subscription. Okay? A very good example of subscription is this Zoom meeting natin. This is not for free. In fact, from what I've heard, kung 100 participant yung capability mo, nasa $14 agad yan. Okay, so mas malaki to, mas mahal yung binabayaran natin dito. And guess what? Pag hindi tayo nagbayad ng subscription, tanggal yung usage natin itong Zoom meeting na to. Pero imaginein mo to, $14, magkano kinita ni Zoom? $2.65 billion annual revenue. Minsan kasi as subscriber, hindi mo nararamdaman na ano pala kasi maliit lang yung binabayad mo eh. Pero pag pinagsama-sama yung dami ng subscribers nila, ang laki ng kinikita ng mga subscription company. Netflix has over 230.75 million subscribers. Kinita niya in 1 year, $31.6 billion annual revenue for 2022. Magkano yung bayad mo sa Netflix? $9.99? Diba? Hindi mo iisipin nakikita ng ganong kalaki yung $9.99 mo. Pero sa dami nga ng subscribers, umaabot ng 31.6 billion. Costco, yung pinakamalapit sa Live Good, 59 million members, 107 million cardholders, and most of them talagang nire-renew yung membership nila. Why? Because they enjoy the benefits. And the annual income for membership fee alone is $3.5 billion. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because this is how big membership club and subscription industry is. Now, Live Good is a membership club and our membership fee is being paid by subscription. Kung itong mga to ganito kalalaki na over the years, definitely yan yung future ng Live Good. In fact, our future will be a much bigger than this. Why? Because Live Good is a membership club that pays. Lahat yung mga companies na sinabi ko, hindi ka babayaran yan. Ikaw lang yung bayad ng bayad sa kanila. But Live Good, when you become an affiliate member and you decide to do the business and refer people to become affiliate members like you will be paid. Diba? Subukan mo sa Netflix, kwento mo sa kaibigan mo, sa BFF mo. Uy, ang ganda ng movie sa Netflix, mag-subscribe ka tapos panoorin mo to. And then, successfully, nag-subscribe siya. Palagay mo, babayaran ka ni Netflix? Hindi. Now, try it with Live Good. Uy, napaka-healthy ko na because of the products of Live Good. Mag-member ka, bumili ka ng product nito, itry mo. Live Good will pay you if you are an affiliate member. Ganon kaganda ang Live Good. And it's going to be based on the compensation plan, the very generous compensation plan that I mentioned kanina. Now, I want all eyes on the screen because what I'm about to discuss is yung compensation plan natin. Our compensation plan is powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. Bakit dalawang structure yung nandyan? Because we have different ways to earn here in Live Good, and the different ways to earn are being computed based on these two structures. Ano yan unilevel na yan? Di ba sabi ko magre-refer ka ng tao to become affiliate members like you. Lahat ng marirefer mo rito would fall in your level 1, directly under you. Okay? Ngayon, pag yung mga ni-refer mo, tinuruan mo na mag-refer din ng ibang tao, lahat ng marirefer nila would fall on your level 2. And then, yung marirefer nung na-refer nila would fall on your level 3. Bakit ko sinasabi ko? Because you can be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Okay? Ang maganda nito, hindi ka pipigilan ni Live Good na mag-refer. You can have 10, 100, even 1,000 referrals. Kung ilan ang gusto mong i-refer sa Live Good to become an affiliate member just like you and to enjoy the benefit of a member and to be part of the compensation plan, bahala ka. Kung ilan ang makakasatisfy sa'yo, then do so. In fact, kami, we actually suggest to refer as many as you can. Okay? And then the second structure is a powerful matrix. It's a 2x15 matrix. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Sa matrix kasi, kada isang tao, dalawa lang ang mailalagay sa ilalim. Don't get confused ha, isi-separate talaga natin yung unilevel dito sa matrix. Okay? Sa matrix, for example, ako, kumuha ako ng dalawa, mailalagay yan sa ilalim ko. But I decided to get more than 2. Diba? Right now, I have a lot of direct sponsor. So, saan napunta yung mga direct ko? Sa unilevel, level 1 ko sila. Pero sa matrix, mapupunta sila dun sa ilalim ng mga nasa ilalim ko. Since dalawa lang yung makakabit sa iyo and yung dalawang nakabit sa iyo, kakabitan ng tagalawa lang, it's going to be like power of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Okay? Ang maganda niyan, it's up to 15 levels deep kasi we get to be paid up to 15 levels deep depending on our rank. By the way, sino yung mga makakabit dyan? Hindi lang lahat ng tinrabaho mo or na-refer mo, hindi lang sila yung makakabit dyan. Kasi ikaw, you belong to a level, to a matrix na nasa taas mo. So kung yung mga taong nasa taas mo magtatrabaho, idalagay din sa matrix mo. Posibleng malagay din sa matrix mo. And that's what we call spillovers. Okay? Kaya dito, even if you don't refer people, talagang magkakaroon ng tao yung matrix mo. Alright? There are 7 ways to earn and live good. Ang unang-una dyan yung weekly fast start, retail commission, and yung mga yan, ang gagamitin dyan to compute for the compensation would be yung unilevel system. Okay? Pati yung influencer bonus. By the way, yan. Weekly fast start and retail commission. Sorry Anyway, to compute the commission for that, ang gagamitin natin would be the unilevel structure. Doon naman sa matrix, gagamitin yan to compute for your matrix commission. Now, you may be wondering, bakit may matching bonus sa gitna? Kasi yung matching bonus, parang hybrid yan. It's a combination of unilevel plus the matrix. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. And there are other ways to earn like influencer bonus, diamond pool bonus, and crown diamond pool bonus. Mamaya i-discuss ko yan isa-isa. Let's start with the fastest way to earn here in Live Good, which is our weekly fast start bonus level 10 levels deep. Okay? As the name itself, weekly siya nire-release. And very fast siya to earn. Okay? Kasi dito, halimbawa, andito ka ngayon, you're not yet an affiliate member. You decided after the presentation, you decide to become a member. So you need to pay $49.95, right? And then, immediately, bago ka matulog, kinwento mo na dun sa mga kaibigan mo. And they also decided to become an affiliate member. Sila rin magbabayad ng $49.95. Here's the thing. For every member na masasuccessfully refer mo sa LiveGood, LiveGood will pay you $25. Now think about it. Nakakuha ka ng isa, may $25 ka. Nakakuha ka ng dalawa, another $25. If you're able to do that in 1 week, magkano yung nilabas mo? $49.95. The following week, mababalik na yung kung magkano yung nilabas mo. Yung joining fee mong $49.95. And did I say anything about requirements? No. Ang requirement lang dito, affiliate member ka at kumuha ka, nag-refer ka, nakasuccessfully refer ka ng people to become affiliate members as well. Walang auto-ship, walang quota, walang volume requirements. You're not required to buy any package. Okay? Kaya nga yung joining fee natin dito, $49.95 lang, wala pang 3,000. Ay ano naman yung 10 levels deep? Di ba na-mention ko meron tayong ranking dito? Our ranks are like bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, crown diamond. Yan yung mga existing rank ngayon. Pero definitely meron pang padating na isa. Parang meron na ako nabalitaang may darating pang isa. Okay, so remember our uni-level, infinite wide yan. So kung ilan yung gusto mong i-refer dito, bahala ka. You can refer up to 10, 100, 1,000. Kung ilan ang gusto mo, pwede. And every referral, successful referral you make, you get $25. So you would start as unranked. Bagong sali ka, unranked ka. Nakapag-refer ka ng isa, unranked ka pa rin, pero mababayaran ka ng $25. Ito maganda. Pag naka-refer ka ng dalawa, you become bronze. Kasi yun lang yung requirement para mag-advance rank to bronze, dalawang referral. Now, you get to enjoy yung level 2. So, binayaran ka na ng 25 each dun sa dalawang kinuha mo. Eh yung dalawang kinuha mo, ginaya ka. Kumuha rin ng Tagalawa. Since level 2 mo na yon and bronze ka na, you get to enjoy $5 each. So that's an additional $20 for you. Now, if you become a silver, meron kang additional, hanggang level 4 na yung ma-enjoy mo, may tag 250 pa sa level 3 and 4. If you become gold, level 5 and 6, meron kang 150 sa level 5, $1 sa level 6. If you become platinum, up to level 8 na yung ma-enjoy mo. May $1 ka sa level 7, may 50 cents ka sa level 8. But if you become diamond, ikaw lang ang mag-enjoy up to level 10. You get 50 cents on level 9 and 10 cents on 50 cents on level 10. Now, if you want to learn more about ranking up, we have another video for that. Okay? Pero maganda, dun sa nag-invite sa iyo, definitely alam nila kung paano mag-rank up. Kasi madali lang po mag-rank up dito. You see how easy it is to become bronze? Dalawa lang. Mag-invite ka lang ng dalawa. Pero ang key dito, kung gusto mo talaga mag-diamond, don't limit yourself to 2 invites. Don't limit yourself to 2 direct referrals. Paramihin mo yung direct referrals mo. Alright, now let's talk about the 2x15 matrix monthly commission. Sabi ko nga, either galing sa'yo or galing dun sa taong nasa taas mo or yung napunta sa'yo nagtrabaho, that will also form part of your matrix. Ang maganda rito, the matrix commission is being computed by giving you 25 cents for every person na malalagay sa matrix mo. Whether galing sa'yo, galing dun sa tao na nasa taas mo, which is spillover, or trabaho nung mga nasa ilalim mo. Lahat yon babayaran ka ng 25 cents provided that the person in your matrix pays their $9.95 subscription. Okay, ganyan yung itsura ng magiging matrix. Ikaw si orange man and all the blue men under you are the people in your matrix. So ayan, on your first level, 2, and then 4, 8, 16, 32, all the way up to 15th level. Bakit 15th level? Kasi babayaran tayo up to the 15th level dito. Ito maganda niyan, na-mention natin. Even if you don't refer a single soul, you would still be paid. And in fact, you could reach up to $2,000. Paano nangyari yon? Kasi sa matrix commission mo, babayaran ka up to 12 levels if you are unranked. Let's say, nag-try ka naman, kaso talagang wala. You're busy with something else, kaya hindi mo rin na-focus yung business, hindi ka nakapagpapasok, hindi ka nakapag-refer dito sa LiveGood. Ang maganda nito, you get to be paid up to level 12. Time will come, mapupuno yan. Pag napuno yan, there would be 8,190 people in your matrix. Times 25 cents, that's $2,047.50. Unranked, wala kang na-refer, pero meron kang 2,000 monthly. Kailan mangyayari yan? Hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko po alam kasi hindi natin alam kung paano magtrabaho yung nasa taas mo. Umasa ka lang eh. Hindi ka tumulong eh, hindi ka nakapag-refer eh. 'Di ba? So hindi natin malaman kung magtatrabaho, kung gaano kabilis magtrabaho yung nasa taas mo or kung malalagyan ka in your matrix ng taong magtatrabaho din. So don't expect this to be filled ng ganun-ganun lang. Okay? Pero mind you, meron at meron namang mabilis na nakakapuno nito. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano papunuin ng mabilis to. Now, if you rank up, if you decide to do the business, invite more than 2 people and then teach them how to do the business as well, you become bronze or silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13, whereby you get a matrix commission of $4,095.50. Pag gold and platinum na up to level 14, $8,191.50 yon. Pag diamond na, ikaw lang ang namumukod tanging nag-i-enjoy ng level 15. That's $16,383.50. That's more than 800,000 pesos. And this is monthly. Kasi monthly naman magbabayad lahat ng member ng 995 eh. Ba't sila magbabayad? Kasi kumikita rin sila if they're an affiliate member. Diba? So nabanggit ko kanina, papakita ko kung paano bumilis yung pagpuno ng matrix. Simple lang. On day 1, pag nag-join ka, ikaw pa lang mag-isa. Diba? What you do is on the first week, kumuha ka ng 2. Pag kuha mo ng 2, magiging bronze ka na. So nadagdagan ng 2 yung matrix mo. Yung 2 kinuha mo, turuan mong kumuha rin ng 2. By the way, ba't ka kukuha ng 2? Para mabawi mo yung nilabas mong $49.95. 25 each, di ba? 2 sila, $50. Bawi mo yung nilabas mo. Ganon din yung ituturo mo sa iba. Now, if this continues, if this become a culture in your organization whereby lahat ng sumasali on their first week kumukuha ng tagalawa, guess what? Magiging 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 on the 12th week. On the 12th week, 3 buwan, maabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. So you're already paid $2,047.50. By the way, hindi natin kailangan hintayin mapuno yung matrix natin for us to start receiving income on our matrix. In fact, magkaroon lang ng isa sa matrix mo, the following month may 25 cents ka. Kung 2, 50 cents. Pag umabot ng 40 yung nasa matrix mo, you get $10. Magkano yung monthly subscription? $9.95. So your business is actually paying for itself kasi yung income mo na yung pinangbabayad mo sa subscription mo. Di ba maganda? And since in this example, kumuha ka ng 2, naging bronze ka, ang ini-enjoy mo na level 13. Umaabot na ng 4,000 yung kita mo. Now, if you decide to sponsor more at naging diamond ka, on the 15th week, umaapaw na yung matrix mo. Puno na yung 2x15 matrix mo. Okay? Ganyan lang ang pampabilis mapuno ng matrix mo. So kung medyo mainipin ka, tumulong ka, punuin yung matrix mo. At turuan mo yung mga makukuha mo na tumulong din katulad mo. Alright? Now, let's talk about the matching bonus. Kasi yung matrix bonus na pinakita ko, yan yung para kumita ka lang. Pero kung gusto mo talagang yumaman, ito ang pakinggan mo, matching bonus. For every person na marirefer mo, so unilevel tayo, di ba? Yung directly under you, na-refer mo yan. Bibigyan ka imamatch kasi magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang matrix. Therefore, magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang matrix income. Imamatch ni LiveGood 50% of whatever they earn in their matrix at ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Did you get that? Ito, sample. Kumuha ka, si A. Si A kumikita na ng $1,000 sa kanyang matrix kasi tinrabaho niya. May $500 ka. A receives the whole $1,000, pero ikaw may dagdag ka pang $500 matching bonus. Ngayon si B 500 lang yung kinikita niya sa matrix, may 250 ka. Si C 100, may 50 ka pa rin. Si D 200 yung kinikita, meron ka pa rin 100. Now, sa example na to, 4 na direct lang yan. What if meron kang 10? What if meron kang 100 directs? Ang dami mong matching bonus. Hindi ba infinite wide yung pag-refer dito? So, magiging infinite din yung matching bonus mo. Ang maganda nito, up to 5 generations, pwede kang bayaran when you're already a diamond. Sa direct referral, may 50% ka. Sa silver matching mo, may 10% ka on first and second generation. Pag gold ka, up to third generation, 5% each. Pag platinum ka, up to fourth, 5% each. Pag diamond ka, ikaw lang mag-enjoy up to fifth generation. 3% per generation. On top yan, dun sa ibang nare-receive mo. Okay? Just to give you an example, kasi percentage yan, medyo mahirap basahin. Bigyan natin ng monetary value. For example, yung direct mo, 10. Yung each of your direct is earning $100 in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's $50 matching for you times $50 matching for you times 10 people na directly in direct mo, that's $500. Ngayon yung 10 direct mo kumuha ng 10 din, naging 100 yung additional, that's your second generation. Each of them earning $100, may 10% ka pa. That's $10. Is 100 sila. That's $1,000. Okay? So as you see in this example, the more na makakapag-direct ka and the more na yung mga dinirect mo is also doing the business, the better your matching bonus is. In fact, in this example, kung diamond ka na, ito yung mga kikitain mo, pwedeng umabot ng $39,000 yung kita mo monthly on your matching bonus alone. Okay, baka sabihin mo hindi totoo yan. Ito, this is an actual my earning of one of our coaches. Disclaimer lang, hindi po sa akin ito. Okay? Nung March 1 to March 31, yung matrix bonus niya is $225. Pero yung matching niya, $661. That's 3 times more the matrix bonus. Diba? Nung April naman, 689 yung matrix niya. Pero yung matching niya, 3,429. 5 times more nung kanyang matrix. Kasi direct lang siya ng direct. Ang dami niyang direct. Okay? Nung May, ito napakaganda. 1,106 na yung matrix niya. 7,000 yung matching bonus niya. That's 7 times more than the matrix bonus. Ganyang kalaki yung matching bonus. Kaya kami, ang suggestion namin dito, mag-direct ka ng mag-direct. Let's get an example. 30 direct referrals. Each of your direct is earning 6,000 na lang in their matrix. Now, 50% of that is 3,000. Since 30 sila, that's $90,000. Magkano yan in peso? 5,040,000 pesos. Monthly income. Monthly income. Kasi monthly nagbabayad ng $995 yan. Remember, yung compensation natin kinukuha doon sa subscription na binabayad ng mga taong nasa matrix natin. So monthly yan, 5 million. Pag ganyan kalaki yung sweldo mo, matutupad lahat ng pangarap mo, pati pangarap ng pamilya mo matutupad na. Okay? Let's say for example, 20 lang yung dinirects mo and each of your direct hindi nakapag-direct, hindi nakapag-refer. So ang maximum earning nila sa matrix, let's say napuno na yung matrix nila, umabot ng $2,047. 50% of that is $1,023.75 times 20. 20,475. Magkano in peso yan? 1,146,600. Tapos yung mga nakuha mo, hindi pa nag-ano yan ha, hindi pa ginawa yung business. Yet yung kita mo, 1 million na. So talagang nakakapagpayaman dito sa Live Good. Now, there would be people na talagang sasabihin sa'yo, pagbibigyan lang kita ha, sasali ako dyan pero hindi ko gagawin ang business. Tanggapin mo. Okay lang yon pero humingi ka ng request. Pero may request ako sa'yo. Ipasok mo yung anak mo tsaka asawa mo. Dalawa sa family mo, ipasok mo. Bakit? Kasi ganito mangyayari. Pag nagpasok siya ng dalawa, magiging bronze siya. Yung matrix niya aabot ng 13th level. That's $4,095.50. Yung dalawang family member niya, since unranked yung mga yan, each will be receiving $2,047.50. So yung dalawa, that's $4,095. Ngayon, may matching ka na 50% doon sa dalawang na-refer mo. That's additional $2,047.50. A total of $10,238 monthly income. Magkano yan in peso? 573,328. Monthly income yan ha. Pag ginawa mo to at sinunod ka nung kaibigan mong sinabing hindi gagawin yung business, magpapasalamat sa iyo yan. Bakit? Kasi from 2,047.50 monthly income as unranked, pinalaki mo ng 10,238 just by adding 2 of his family. Family ano na yan eh, family income na yan. 'Di ba? Instead of just receiving 100,000 plus, inabot siya ng almost 600,000 monthly income in pesos. Okay? Pero dito, ang tinuturo namin, become a visionary. Have 100 solid direct referrals. Ano yung solid direct? Meaning, kung ang goal mo is to become diamond, all of your 100 direct referrals should want to become diamonds and eventually would become diamonds themselves. Okay? Each diamond would be earning $16,383.50. 50% of that is $8,191.75. 100 yung direct referral mo. That's $819,175. Magkano yun in peso? 45 million. Ayan, nalilito na ako. 45,873,800 pesos monthly income. Pag ganito na yung monthly income mo, matutupad na yung pangarap ng pamilya mo, sarili mo, pangarap ng church mo, pangarap ng community mo, pati pangarap ng kung sino-sino kaya mo nang tuparin. 'Di ba? Ang laki na niyan eh, 45 million a month. What if nag 1,000 direct ka, 'di ba? Infinite wide naman yung pagdidirect dito. Each of your direct earning na lang 6,000. 50% is 3,000 times 1,000, that's $3 million monthly. That's 168 million pesos monthly. Ganyan kalaki yan. And definitely, ibabayad ni LiveGood sa yan. Kasi it's part of their compensation plan. And they would not back out on that. Okay? Now, ang tanong mo siguro, paano ba mag-diamond? Okay, I'll show you the most simple step. Alright? Pero I'm telling you, to become diamond, ang kailangan mo talaga maraming direct referrals. And yung mga direct referrals mo, each of them do know the business, do trust the business, is very confident about the business, and is doing their business themselves. Okay? Ito yung simplest way. Get 3. Kanina, get 2, di ba? Pampapuno lang ng matrix yan, ha? If you want to rank up, get 3. And teach those 3 to get 3. Weekly rin natin gawin yan. Okay? If this become a culture in your organization, ito yan. Yung ikaw muna, nag-iisa, and then nadagdagan ng 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729, and so on. On the 7th week, if this is a culture in your organization, on the 7th week, diamond ka. Kasi ang requirement lang sa diamond, 2,500 active members. Eh meron ka ng 3,279 active members. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy yan, on the 11th week, umaapaw-apaw, sobra-sobra na yung matrix mo. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ang dami mo nang natulungan na nasa ilalim mo. Alright? Now, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi meron pang mga other means to earn. Those are really the most exciting ways to earn here in LiveGood. Pero ito, meron pa rin. Let's say for example, 'di ba meron tayong mga retail? Now, how do you get retail commission? Meron tayong retail price, may members price din. Yung difference ng retail price and members price, 50% nun, that's your retail commission. Sample, the retail price is $18, the members price is $8, difference of $10. You get $5 commission for every retail sales you make. Okay? And this is 10 levels deep as well, depending dun sa rank mo. 'Di ba? Okay, sa lahat ng ma-retail mo may 50% ka. Pag naging bronze ka, pwede ka na hanggang level 2 may additional 10%. Silver up to level 4 additional 5% each. Gold up to level 6 3% and 2% respectively. Okay, platinum 7 and 8 2% and 1% respectively. And pag diamond ka, ikaw lang mag-enjoy ng level 10. May 1% ka sa level 9, may 1% ka pa sa level 10. 'Di ba? Tapos infinite 'yan. Meaning, hindi mo nakilala yung nagbenta, meron ka pa ring komisyon. Gano'n kaganda yung pagdidirect dito. Gano'n kaganda yung pag-i-sponsor dito. Now, if you are already an influencer, meaning sikat ka na sa TikTok or sa YouTube, eto gawin mo. Mag-video ka ng sarili mo, halimbawa nagtitimpla ng kape, inumin mo yung kape, sabi mo napakasustansya nito, uminom kayo. Why? Because if you have 1 million followers, your followers follow whatever it is you say. Okay? Pag tumaas ngayon yung retail sales mo for the month, let's say umabot ng 2.5, yung 50% mo dadagdagan ng 10%, total of 60. Pag umabot ng 5, 20% yung idadagdag, 70 na siya. Pag umabot ng 10,000, 30% na yung idadagdag, 80% na yung marireceive mo. Pag umabot ng 25,000, 40% na yung idadagdag. 90% na yung marireceive mo. Yan yung difference ng retail price tsaka members price. Ito maganda, pag umabot ng 50,000 yung month retail sales mo, ibibigay na sa iyo lahat yung difference. Kasi dadagdagan ng 50% yung 50% mo, a total of 100%. Kaya maganda rin maging influencer. If you're not into video, try to look at it. Baka naman may talent ka. Start becoming an influencer. Okay? Ito ngayon ang maganda. Diamond bonus pool. Si Diamond bonus pool, 2% of the total sales from all members and product sales, meaning yung kinita ng buong company. Yung 2% ngayon, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond sa buong mundo. All right? Right now we have what? We have over 30 diamonds all over the globe. And yung diamond bonus pool umaabot pa rin ng $6,000 each. Now, if you become a diamond, that means you have a guaranteed income of 300,000 pesos or more. Alright? Ang maganda nito, pag naging crown diamond ka, bukod dun sa 2% na nare-receive mo na pinaghahati-hatian yung mga diamond, meron ka pang 0.5% of the total income of the company. Ang tawag na rito, profit sharing. Kasama ka na sa profit sharing. Okay, last month or 2 months ago, iisa pa lang yung crown diamond sa buong mundo by the name of Tim Miller. Last month, 2 na sila. And the second crown diamond happens to be our very own coach, Fernan Santiago. Now, they're not actually saying kung magkano yung kinita nila, pero I believe in one of the webinar na dulas si Ben Glinsky that they would be receiving a seven-figure income for the crown diamond pool. Each yun. So mahina yung 2 milyon crown diamond pool pa lang. So ganito yan. The reason that I'm emphasizing this kasi lahat ng diamonds ngayon, lahat ng crown diamonds, silang 2 crown diamonds, they all started as affiliate members just like you and me. Meaning, yung first requirement to become diamond and crown diamond, nasa sa atin na. Ang kulang na lang gawin natin yung ginawa nila. Ang maganda nito, they have videos, they have Facebook page, they have training. They're telling each and every one of us ano yung ginawa nila kung bakit sila naging crown diamond. All we have to do is follow it. Do it as well. Okay? Ganun lang kadali yan. Kasi nakuha na natin yung first qualification. Ano first qualification? Kailangan affiliate member ka. So yung mga hindi pa affiliate member ngayon, bago matapos tong presentation, kunin nyo na yung sponsor link. Mag-affiliate member na kayo. I-ready nyo na yung ATM nyo or yung credit card nyo. Okay? Because we have top 4 reasons to join Live Good. Number 1, we just officially launched globally December 2022 tayo nag-start. Batang-bata pa si Live Good. Meaning lahat tayo na affiliate member ngayon at magiging affiliate member pa, we are considered pioneer. Because in any company, yung first 2 years niyan of membership, they're all considered pioneer. And what's good about being pioneer, tayo yung unang mag-i-enjoy ng benefits. Right? Parang si Tim Miller, when he became the first Crown Diamond, siya yung unang-unang nag-enjoy ng 0.5 profit sharing. Same thing with us. We are enjoying and be a visionary kasi Live Good will go a long way and will be very big in the future. Okay? Second reason, high quality, very affordable health products. Wala kang pagsisisihan sa mga produkto. Lahat sila efficient, effective, lahat sila napaka-high quality. Yet, very low price. Okay? Number 3, marketing system tools and training. This is part of the tools that you can use, overuse. Kasi all you need to do is send people in, invite people to this presentation, kami magpe-present, kami magko-close, pero kanino yung account sa inyo? Just like what happened last night dun sa presentation ng team namin. If I'm not mistaken, more than 3 yung nag-join instantly after the presentation. Ganito siya ka-powerful. And then meron din tayong weekly training, both local and international. Product training every Monday nga, every Thursday meron tayong yung tinatawag na recognition and training. Yun. Pwede natin gamitin yung tools na yan. Pwede tayong mag-send ng people dyan. Okay? Number 4 reason, a very simple, powerful, and yet very lucrative kasi napaka-generous na pay plan. Nakita nyo naman kanina kung gaano ka-simple. Mind you, simple is not equal to easy. Kasi yung mga Crown Diamonds ngayon, pinaghirapan din nila yan. Tinrabaho nila yan. Pero ang maganda niyan, they just keep on repeating a very simple process. Yun nga lang, they did it many times over. Alright? And ask them about it. They would answer you what they did. Okay. So right now, we're starting with 19. We started with 15. Right now, we have 19 products of high quality yet very affordable price. And in the near future, Live Good will be adding more products and services. Why? Because Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing company. Remember Amazon, nag-start yan sa books. Pero pag tinignan mo si Amazon ngayon, lahat yata ng kailangan mo, meron na eh. Diba? Ganon din ang mangyayari kay Live Good. Ang difference lang, si Live Good, pag member ka, napakababa mong makukuha yung prices. Almost factory or manufacturing price. Okay? Right now, we are only at the tip of the iceberg. Ito nga, 300,000 pa lang. Right now, we already have 660,000 members. And by December 2023, definitely maaabot natin yung 1 million membership mark. Since nauna ka, you get to enjoy the benefits first. I'm not saying yung mga mahuhuli dito will not have benefits. They will. Pero ikaw yung unang mag-e-enjoy. So if you're not a member yet, decide to become a member today. Okay? Kasi the next big thing, there would be over 100 million, even a billion members in the years to come. Completely different yung business concept natin and very, very generous yung compensation plan natin. People would not really want not to be part of Live Good. Okay? We have 3 questions here as I end. Are you an A, B, or C? A, I want to become an affiliate member. B, I want to become a member. Okay lang yun. You want to enjoy the discounts. C, I just want to become a retail customer. Okay lang din yun kasi may pera ka naman. You just want the products and you want to buy it in retail. Pero if you would ask me, I would tell you to become an affiliate member kasi ang laki ng benefits ng pagiging affiliate member. Alright? And ang laki ng kitaan talaga. Kaya nga sinabi ko dito, from the start pa lang, ito ang tutupad sa mga pangarap mo. So what do? You get back to the person who invited you and tell them that you are an A. You want to become an affiliate member. Sige nga, sa chat group, lagay nyo nga, I am an A. I am an A, I am an A. All right? So, I'm actually done, but I want to leave you with this. Kanina sinabi ko, I don't know where you're coming from because each of us has our own struggles, different stories in life. Okay? The thing is, if we want to change our lives for the better, we have to make a decision. Kasi whatever we're in right now, the situation that we're experiencing right now, is the result of the decision we made in the past. Now, this is a chance for us to create a better future. Kasi whatever you decide on today will definitely shape your future. If you decide to do live good today, then you would have a better future. But if you decide not to, and then stay on doing what you are currently doing, then don't expect any change in your future. Okay? I'm going to leave you with that kasi yung decision pa rin to join Live Good or not is really up to you. Hindi naman sa amin yan eh. Yun nga lang, I'm just here to present. Pero in every presentation kasi merong mga mag-a-action, meron din naman mga na-entertain lang. I hope hindi ko lang kayo na-entertain. I hope this has really brought you value and I really hope that you would take action on this on this invitation for you to decide to change your life and make your dreams come true. Okay? So thank you very much for staying. I hope talagang may nakuha kayong value dun sa presentation ko and just like what happened last night dun sa mga na-invite, sana mag-decide kayo that you would finally become a member, an affiliate member, just like us, just like all the diamonds when they started, when they became, when they did their decision. They decided to become a member, an affiliate member, and they did the business. Now they are Crown Diamonds, enjoying the benefits and privileges of a Crown Diamond. And that's our future. That's our future.